Hello guys, welcome to Doza Digitals, where we share everything crypto and give you updates on other opportunities in Web3. And in today's video, we want to look at TapSwap. A lot of people have not been able to access their TapSwap account. It has been showing this kind of interface, and the more you try to verify, the more it fails, all right? If you look at the TapSwap community, they shared an update that there has been repeated malicious attacks against TapSwap. So they have added an anti-DDoS protection. So whenever you enter the app, you're going to be seeing that white stuff asking you to verify. And the more you try to verify, the more you experience a challenge. I know that many people are eager to just claim their TAPS token. Many people are eager to increase their TAPS earning, and not being able to do this can be very frustrating. So I have found a way that you can actually bypass this challenge. All right, so what you want to do is to get your VPN on. If you have Turbo VPN or Windscribe, you can launch the VPN. Just click on launch. Of course, these VPNs, they have free versions, so you can download it from Google Play Store. Then when you turn it on, you come back to your TapSwap, then you close it, you reload it again, and it is going to come back up. You can see your TapSwap is back up. So you can now continue with your other activities like you have been doing. All right. So you don't need to panic. You don't need to worry. Of course, the TapSwap team, they are going to remove that particular anti-DDoS. They are going to remove that verification exercise soon. So, but we don't know when exactly it is that they are going to remove it. So in the interim, you can use your VPN to bypass that and earn some more TapSwap points. All right. So that'll be all for now, guys. If you have found value in this video, do hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out when we post a new video. And share this video with your friends so that we can onboard a lot of people into the Web3 space. See you again, guys, in my next video. Bye for now.